In this video, I'll show you how you can add an authorized user to your Amex card. Once you're on the Amex homepage, it should look something like this. And then under account type, you want to make sure it says cards and banking here. Then go ahead and log in. And I actually noticed very recently, Amex updated the format of their website. So it actually looks like this now. And you can actually see here, there's add a card member option. And this is where you can select if you want to add authorized users. It'll show here how much it costs for your own card and then how much it costs for any additional authorized users. So here you can see it's free for up to 5 additional card members. And after that, it's going to be $35 for each card. And then here is where you can go ahead and update all of your info, and then you can click agree and submit. I'm not sure if everyone's on the new format yet, so I'll show you how you can add an authorized user on the old website too. So it should look similar to this. And then from there, you want to click account services, and then go ahead and select manage other users. And then you should see this option where it says add someone to an account. So it should look similar to the last page, and it will show you the different fees it costs to add someone as an authorized user. But again, you can just fill out the info here and then click submit. And then from there, you should get info about how long it might take for you to get your new cards. If you want to learn more about the Amex Gold card, then check out this video here.